Imagine stepping into a world where shopping isn't just a mundane task but an exciting and immersive experience. Picture yourself walking into a store where you can try on clothes without ever entering a fitting room, explore furniture options that appear in your living room as if they were already there, or have a virtual assistant guide you through your choices based on your unique preferences. This isn't the distant future. It's the reality being created today by augmented reality, AR, and artificial intelligence, AI. These technologies are transforming the way we shop, merging the physical and digital worlds to create seamless and personalized experiences. But how exactly are AR and AI reshaping retail? And what does this mean for both consumers and businesses? Let's explore. What is augmented reality in retail? Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that enhances the real world by overlaying it with digital elements. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses you in a completely digital environment, AR allows you to see and interact with virtual objects within your actual surroundings. In retail, AR brings innovation to how we browse and shop. Imagine using your phone to point at a pair of shoes and instantly seeing them on your feet in different colors and styles. Or picture being able to scan a piece of furniture and view how it would look in your living room, all to scale and in real time. AR eliminates the guesswork often associated with shopping. No more buying something and hoping it fits or matches your space. With AR, you get a preview before you commit, making shopping more efficient and enjoyable. How artificial intelligence powers retail. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another game changer in retail. At its core, AI is about machines learning from data and making decisions or predictions based on that information. In the retail sector, AI is everywhere, even if you don't realize it. Think about the recommendations you see on e-commerce sites like Amazon or Netflix. That's AI at work, analyzing your behavior, past purchases, and preferences to suggest products you're likely to love. In physical stores, AI can optimize inventory management, ensuring popular items are always in stock and reducing waste on less demanded products. AI also powers customer service tools like chatbots, which can answer questions, guide you through product selections, or even process orders, all without needing a human salesperson. These bots are available 24/7, offering assistance whenever you need it. The perfect pair, AR and AI together. While AR and AI are impressive on their own, their true potential shines when they work together. AR focuses on enhancing the visual and interactive aspects of shopping, while AI adds intelligence and personalization. Together, they create a shopping experience that is both immersive and tailored to each individual. For instance, imagine using an AR app to virtually try on a jacket. While you're admiring how it looks on you, AI steps in to recommend a matching pair of shoes or suggest other colors based on your previous purchases. This combination simplifies decision-making and enhances the overall shopping journey. Another example is AI-powered virtual fitting rooms. These digital tools use AR to show how clothes fit and AI to suggest sizes based on your body type and previous buying history. The result? Fewer returns, more confidence in your choices, and a better overall experience. Real-world applications of AR and AI in retail. These technologies are not just theoretical concepts. They're already being implemented by major retailers around the world. Let's explore some real-world examples that demonstrate the power of AR and AI in retail. Take IKEA, for example. The IKEA Place app uses AR to allow customers to visualize how furniture will look and fit in their homes. By simply pointing their phone at a space, customers can place virtual furniture to see how it aligns with their decor. This eliminates the need for guesswork and enhances customer satisfaction. Sephora is another leader in AR integration. Their virtual artist app lets users try on different makeup products virtually. AI adds an extra layer of personalization by analyzing the user's skin tone and recommending the best shades. Even online giants like Amazon are leveraging these technologies. Amazon uses AI to provide tailored product recommendations based on your browsing and purchase history. For certain products, like glasses or shoes, they've integrated AR features that allow customers to visualize how the items will look or fit. The benefits for shoppers and retailers. For shoppers, the benefits of AR and AI are clear. These technologies offer convenience, personalization, and a sense of control over purchasing decisions. AR allows customers to try before they buy, reducing the risk of dissatisfaction. AI takes the pressure off by suggesting products that align with individual tastes and needs. Shoppers also save time. Instead of wandering through aisles or scrolling endlessly online, AR and AI can streamline the process, presenting you with options tailored to your preferences. This reduces decision fatigue and makes shopping more enjoyable. For retailers, the advantages are equally significant. AR and AI increase customer engagement by creating interactive experiences that keep shoppers interested. These technologies also reduce return rates by helping customers make more informed decisions upfront. From a business perspective, AI can optimize operations by managing inventory more efficiently and predicting trends. Retailers can also use data from AR and AI interactions to understand customer preferences better, allowing them to refine their offerings and marketing strategies. Challenges and limitations. As exciting as these innovations are, they're not without challenges. Implementing AR and AI requires significant investment in technology, infrastructure, and training. Not all retailers, especially smaller businesses, have the resources to adopt these tools. Another concern is privacy. For AR and AI to work effectively, they rely on data, lots of it. This raises questions about how customer information is collected, stored, and used. Shoppers need to trust that their data is secure and used responsibly. There's also the issue of accessibility. While AR and AI are becoming more mainstream, not everyone has access to the devices or internet speeds needed to use these technologies. This digital divide could exclude some shoppers from these experiences. The future of AR and AI in retail. Despite these challenges, the future of AR and AI in retail looks incredibly promising. As technology advances, we can expect these tools to become more affordable and accessible to businesses of all sizes. Imagine walking into a store where every product is digitally tagged, and your smartphone or AR glasses provide all the information you need with a simple glance. Picture AI assistants that can instantly find exactly what you're looking for or recommend alternatives based on your preferences. We might also see the rise of fully virtual stores, where you can shop from the comfort of your home using AR and AI-powered platforms. These stores could offer personalized experiences that rival or even surpass physical ones. Another exciting possibility is the integration of wearable technology. Smart glasses and other devices could make AR and AI interactions even more seamless, creating an immersive shopping experience wherever you go. Augmented reality and artificial intelligence are no longer just buzzwords. They're shaping the future of retail in ways we're only beginning to understand. For shoppers, they offer a blend of convenience, personalization, and fun. For retailers, they provide tools to engage customers, optimize operations, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. As these technologies continue to evolve, they'll likely become as integral to the shopping experience as credit cards or online stores are today. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who loves a good shopping spree, AR and AI promise to make the future of retail something truly extraordinary. What about you? Are you ready to embrace this new era of shopping? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AR and AI, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the innovations shaping our world. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy shopping, wherever and however you choose to do it.